Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this set of videos, we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit from the present position of Capricorn to Aquarius and its retrogression from Aquarius back to Capricorn. Jupiter gets its transit on 6th of April 2021 and stays till 15th of September 2021 at Aquarius, and again it retrogrades back on 15th of September and comes back to Capricorn, and it will be there till 20th of November 2021, and there will be a normal transit on 20th November 2021 as usual from Capricorn to Aquarius. So we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit for each and every zodiac sign. Whenever the Jupiter is placed in a particular position, it will have certain effects. Also, the Jupiter aspects the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th house from the position where it is. So all the places where the Jupiter aspects will have a very positive effects. Considering this, many viewers had asked me the impact of the Jupiter's this transit and retrogression effects. I had already consolidated certain videos on the 2020-21 Jupiter transit. If you have not viewed those videos, I have provided the link in the description. You can select it and view all these videos. I had also given some percentage for each and every zodiac sign. So that will have a major effect that has got a consolidated effect of all the transit, keeping into consideration of all the planetary positions. But there are certain viewers, they need to know the impact of the Jupiter's transit at Aquarius separately and its the retrogression effect separately. So that is the purpose I am releasing these videos for each and every zodiac sign with the impact of the transit as well as the retrogression. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign what would be the effect. Aquarius, the 11th zodiac sign. For Aquarius, when Jupiter transits from Capricorn to Aquarius on 6th of April, the position is not so encouraging. Most of them may find health related problems during this time. So they should be careful during this particular period. They should have frequent health check, otherwise they will find some issues. So the position of Jupiter is not so encouraging. To an extent, as it has come out of the 12th house, is to an extent it is better because the expenses will get reduced. Now Jupiter starts aspecting the 5th, 7th and 9th houses. When it starts aspecting the 5th houses, most of the children will study well. Those who are in this particular zodiac sign, the children especially having this particular zodiac sign, they will study properly. Those who are expecting for kid, there is a right time for them. It's a good chance they will find a suitable kid for them. Jupiter starts aspecting the 7th house. Those who are unmarried for very long, they can find a suitable alliances. Those who are running their own business, there is a chance they will improve their business during this time. Lot of new projects may come in and inflow of money will be there. So for business, it seems to be highly encouraging for them. For married couple, this is the right time. They'll have a good piece of time. Those who are separated, they may get united back. If the conflicts between the husband and wife will get solved during this time. These are some of the positive things. Now Jupiter aspecting the 9th house, good support from the father and the father's side. Some may find some lucky times during this particular period. Some may get assets from their father's side, father's ancestor properties. Some may start following the ancestors' rules also during this particular period. When you look at the negative things, Jupiter when moves away to Capricorn, the effect of Rahu becomes stronger. So Rahu is there at the 4th house. There may be some health issues on the mother's side, and there will be some conflict with the mother and the mother's family. So they should take care of the health of the mother during this particular period. Also the investments may not support along for them. During this period they should not do high investments. Some of them may find troubles in the vehicles, troubles in the house they stay. They may find some frequent repairs. These are some of the issues. Now Saturn aspecting the 6th house. So some of them find the enemies creeping up. Some of them find health issues also. So these are some of the defects when Jupiter moves to Aquarius from Capricorn. Now let us see the impact of Jupiter's retrogression. When Jupiter retrogrades back to Capricorn on September 15th, again the position is not encouraging as it goes to the 12th house. Already there is Saturn there as a ruler. There is a strong conjunction between the Jupiter and Saturn at the 12th house. So they will find lot of expenses during this period. Expenses could be due to health related, expenses due to the children's health or the parents' health, expenses due to the repairs and other maintenances. So they will find lot of expenses. As Jupiter is also there in the 12th house, some of the expenses could be positive due to marriages or other good functions. When Jupiter moves away to the 12th house, it starts aspecting the Rahu because Rahu is there at the 4th house so far. Once Jupiter starts aspecting Rahu, the ill effects of Rahu getting controlled. Now the health issues will get reduced in the mother and the mother's side family. There will be some good relationship also. Now this is the right time they can invest and find some marginal profits out of their investments. Some can invest money in the share market, find some good profits also. Now Jupiter aspecting the 6th house along with the Saturn, so the enmity they can win. So some of the issues will get solved during this particular period. So this is a suitable time for them. Now Jupiter aspecting the 8th house, some may find a suitable time to enjoy with the family. They will travel abroad. Some can travel other places and they can spend their time happily. Some may get some lucky prizes. All these things can happen. But the negative thing is Jupiter aspecting the 9th house. It's not so encouraging. There may be some conflicts between the father and the father's family side. So these are the major effects of Jupiter's transit as well as the retrogression for Aquarius. Comparing these two, Jupiter's transit seems to be highly encouraging as both the ways, whether Jupiter transits or retrogrades back, the position not so encouraging, but the houses where the Jupiter aspects seems to be highly positive for Aquarius.